Hello everyone, my name is Brett Pickert, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at Kompyte by SEMrush. Today we're going to show you how to create a competitive product analysis report in Kompyte. Now, what is a competitive product analysis report? A competitive product analysis report provides stakeholders a bird's eye view of your product compared to your competitors. So as we can see here, we have a benchmark of our product compared to others. In regards to features, we can see features that customers love based on reviews. We can even see a product score average, which is the aggregate of reviewed data sources such as G2 and Capterra. And we can see a breakdown of the ratings based on different websites such as G2, Capterra, and Trust Radius. And we can even see product news as well. And this report also includes a breakdown of each competitor one by one. You can see here, pricing overview, how they position, summary of features, what customers are saying, and even product news. So now that you've seen an overview, the first step we're going to take is we're going to create features or features or products in the Kompyte platform. Now we're going to move on to the settings of Kompyte so we can start tracking those features. So we're going to exit the reports. We're going to move into the settings. We're going to go to boards and traits. And this already has some boards filled in. But in your account, when you want to create a board, you just go up to the top right, create a board. Here we have one already filled out in feature comparison. So you type in things like either features, product features, and then you would hit create. And then you would want to create a trait to fill in this board. So each trait would be a different product feature. Like for example, in here we have AI, machine learning, calendar management, contact database, custom reporting, and so forth. So to create a trait, go up here, type it in, AI, machine learning. You select the board. Here it would be feature comparison or whatever you named your board. And then you just click done and then hit create. And then from here, we're going to create an automated workflow that's going to feed insights from Kompyte's AI into your competitive product analysis report. Now to create an automated workflow, we're going to go up to the top here and click automation. We're going to create a workflow, choose custom workflow, set a trigger, collect based, hit confirmed, or the description, contains any of. Now here's where you're going to want to type in keywords commonly associated with new product updates and features. So you want to say introducing, launching, new update, new feature, beta, new integration, what's new, product release, now available, new innovation, coming soon, and any other keywords that you would commonly associate with that. And you hit done, you hit click and, select taxonomy is none of, and you would search for job position and reviews. So this way, if any of those keywords pop up in things such as like a job position or any customer reviews, this automated workflow would automatically pull them out. You select done, click this plus sign, and we highly suggest setting the highlight and unhighlight. That way, these traits are going to come in from this automated workflow are going to automatically be highlighted in your collect feed. So you know, okay, these are going to be product updates. You're going to hit this plus sign again, and you're going to want to tag it as product news. This is going to be important because when it comes to collect feed, you can actually create safe filters based on different tags. So once Once I show you the collect filter in the next section, you'll understand why we want to create those filters. And of course, you want to name your workflow. We're going to name it product news to keep it simple. And then you hit review, hit yes, and then you click turn on. You just create your automated workflow. Now we're going to move on to the collect feed and make some saved filters for those tags. In the collect feed, we're going to want to create a product news save filter. So we can have a collect feed of information that pertains only to just product news. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the right, select the tag, search for the product news tag that we just created earlier, hit apply, then we're going to hit the save filter, save it as product news, and hit done. And there you have it. You can actually see your save filter over here on the left. It's product news. It'll actually show up all the insights that are tagged as product news directly in your collect feed. Next, we're going to move on to the product analysis report. Now let's create our competitive product analysis report. I'm going to create a standard report. We're going to use a from scratch report template. And for this demonstration, we're going to be Soho, and our competitors are going to be Salesforce and HubSpot. First thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to add in some widgets, some title widgets here. First one we're going to do is going to be a feature comparison title widget. Hit save. Extend the top bit. We're going to add a table underneath here. We're going to title this comparison chart. We're going to collect some data points. And this goes back to the traits that we created earlier in that board settings section. So we're going to look through here, and we're going to collapse all these to find our feature comparison ones, and we're just going to select them all. Yep, and then you just hit apply. You want to display the trait names, display the company names, and you want to do it by columns. Hit save. Then we're going to pull this out so we can have all the competitors show up. Now, what you're going to want to do in here is you see all these green stars, thumbs down, so forth. You're going to want to click in each one. You're going to want to edit these. Ours are pre-filled because I've done this before. But the way you would do this, you would click this little emoji right here, and then you would add it in. And the cool thing about this feature is Kompyte's going to learn from this. And then so whenever you add this feature in into any other additional reports, this icon right here that you put in is going to be applied to any future reports that you do. So let's say in the future, as Zoho no longer has custom reporting, or it's not as adequate. You want to change it to a yellow star. Once you change it to a yellow star, it's going to change into every single report going forward. And then after this, we're going to want to add in a customer reviews section as well. For the next section, we're going to want to add in customer product reviews. So we're going to add in another title widget to make our sections look cleaner. Just type that in, hit save. They're adding another widget right below that. So this one we're going to select reviews. We're going to do breakdown by source. We're going to change the sources up a bit. So we're going to get rid of Glassdoor and Indeed because we don't want employee reviews. If the App Store and Google Play apply to you, keep them checkmarked. For this, we're just going to keep just Capterra, G2, and Trust Radius. Hit save. Hit save one more time. They're going to extend this out. So I can see here, you can see a breakdown of the ratings for each, for not only yourself, but also your competitors as well, all in one spot. And then the next section we're going to add in product news. So this is essentially just bringing in the product news feed directly into this report. So we're adding another tile slide just to make it cleaner and separate. Adding another widget below it to collect feed. We're going to look up our product news filter. Just like that. And there you have it. Now next we're going to move on to our individual competitors and build out that report for them. Next we're going to move into Zoho and we're going to add in our widgets here. And remember, we're Zoho in this demonstration, but the good thing about this is we add in all the information we want here because it's going to automatically add it for each competitor individually. So we add in our logo, our website description, add in a little formatting, title here. We're going to do a product overview. Expand that a little bit. Add another widget right below it. Do another smart trait. We're going to look for a product overview. Hit save. Then we're going to add a table right next to it. And what we're going to do is we're going to title this a features head-to-head. Now, since we're the main company here, it's not going to show it off. But what's going to happen is when it goes to the other competitors such as HubSpot and Salesforce, it's going to show the features side by side. So it's similar to what we did earlier. We're going to add in data points. Look up curated traits. We're going to collapse these and find our feature comparisons again. Just going to checkbox them all. And then hit apply. Right there. And then next, we're going to add in another title widget down below. Title this customer reviews. You can always do this formatting later, but just doing it for now to make it look clean. This one's going to be reviews, breakdown by source. Just going to break it down, just the 3 main reviews. Hit save. Then we're going to add in another widget here right next to it. It's going to be from the collect feed. We're going to do a filter of product reviews. So we have everything pertaining to reviews right here. And then we're going to add in another title of formatting. This is going to be our product news section, similar to like we had in the benchmark. collect feed. Filter will be product news. Hit save, and there you have it. You have your product news, your customer reviews, product overview, features head to head, website description, that. And then as you go to the competitors, you see here, might need to expand this out a bit. There you go. And there may be okay, gotta check mark that, display your own domain in those. Just make sure that's check marked in that. As you can see here, Zoho's now with that one. And there you have it. In just a few short minutes, you just create a competitive product analysis report, saving you all the time of manually researching your products from other competitors. I'd like to thank you for watching this video today, and hopefully see you in the future. Sign up for a demo at Kompyte.com.